Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Urmila and you're watching Urmila's Heart. And अभी बज रहे हैं 12 एंड सुबह से ही इधर बहुत ज़ोरों शोरों से बारिश हो रही थी एज इट फील्स लाइक मानसून इज़ रिटर्निंग अगेन एंड सुबह के 9 बजे से नॉट 9 एग्जैक्टली 8 o'clock से इधर बारिश हो रही है नॉन स्टॉप बट वी हैव प्लान्स टू गो आउट इन दिस रेनी वेदर ऑल्सो मुझे कुछ ख़रीदना था घर के लिए या फिर खुद के लिए कुछ भी ख़रीदना था मुझे आज सो आई थॉट सिंस मैं घर पे आ रही हूँ तो मैंने इस मम्मी को बोला था कि लेट्स गो एंड बाई समथिंग व्हेन आई कम सो वहीं लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो समवेयर टू बाई समथिंग और वट एवर इट इज़ एटलीस्ट ना खरीदे लेट्स गो आउट मूव आउट एंड थोड़ा लेट मी ब्रीद अ लॉट सो इसीलिए मैं ये वीडियो कर रही हूँ इट्स अ व्लॉग वीडियो मैं घर पे आती हूँ आई डिड नॉट ब्रिंग एनीथिंग of my makeup whatever I do or DIYs इधर मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है so I thought of making some vlogs videos so इसीलिए मैं vlog बना रही हूँ जब तक मैं इधर हूँ I'll be making vlog videos so आज हम जाने वाले हैं इधर ही कहीं I stay in कोलकाता में ये जो एरिया है नॉर्थ 24 Parganas in Shodhpur I stay मेरा मायका है but basically my hometown is in Assam. I belong from Digboy. I am a Northeast girl. So पापा रिटायरमेंट के बाद इधर ही घर लिए थे उन्होंने सो ही शिफ्टेड हियर एंड दिस बीन 5 to 6 years I am in Kolkata and after 5 to 6 years in this year 2020 3rd February I got married. That's it. Let's proceed with the video and ज़्यादा बात ना करते हुए let's see what it happens and abhi baj rahe hai 12 since so I'll go and take a shower and then we'll meet. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm back again and now I'll go with some skincare after my bathing. I'll use here green coconut from Kia Shade. It says that it controls premature skin wrinkles, protects against the sun damage and evens out your skin tone. And this is a toner cum essential oil and you can see it, I use it in my makeup schedule also. It is an alcohol free product and it gives a inner glow to your skin. Let's go and have some lunch. Here my mom has cooked delicious food. Trust me guys, she is the best cook I could ever have. इवनिंग शाम हो चुकी है एंड बारिश भी थम चुकी है एंड लेट्स गो आउट एज आई सेड विल बी गोइंग आउट फॉर शॉपिंग या फिर शॉपिंग ना होने से भी विल गो फॉर अ बिट फ्रेशन अप फॉर अ माइंड तो चलिए चलते हैं वेयर वी गो लेट्स सी वेयर डू वी हेड टुवर्ड्स दैट्स इट एंड मैंने आज ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं पहना है बस एक ब्लैक टी शर्ट पहनी हुई हूँ मैं जीन्स एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज आउटिंग. It's evening now and these clouds are so beautiful. I found them so I thought of sharing with you guys. Now I'm going towards Shodhpur market and it's raining again so I couldn't shoot much and had to return home very quickly. I'm heading towards a small mall. It says Sriniketan where you could find very vulnerable kind of things like saris and everything and but unfortunately again the manager did not allow me to shoot much because it was against their protocol so I couldn't shoot much but trust me guys the sarees out there were awesome. If you guys want to come here and shop it's really affordable price में आप बहुत सारे चीज़ मिल सकते हैं आपको and the sarees are just so awesome. Everyone, I'm back again. Now I'm at home. As you can see, मैं अभी घर आई हूँ. I just got freshen up like अपने हाथ and all सब sanitize करके घुसी हूँ घर पे and now I'm so exhausted. As you know, मैं ऐसा कुछ भी shoot नहीं कर पाई बाहर and it was raining again. Papa I entered was not allowing me to shoot so I couldn't shoot along from there. मैं छुप के वीडियो कर रही थी and they even didn't know it. So pardon me for that. So let's see मैं अभी क्या करती हूँ. I'll get freshen up now more and I'll change some my clothes and all. And चलिए कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें मैं ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी आपको. Stay tuned and that's it. Back again and मैं अभी फ्रेश हो चुकी हूँ and you can see I have changed. So चलो जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ let's go and proceed. Now we are heading towards my mom's Almira. She has treasure of saris, and her saris are so beautiful. Trust me, guys, you'll just get obsessed. And these are called tassels, as we know, but these are called dahi vadas, which I learned from Assam. If you want me to let you know how I do dahi vadas, please comment down below, and I'll definitely show you how to do dahi vadas. Now I'm showing you some hand-picked of mekhlas and Assam silk, which I love them a lot to wear. These Assam silk and mekhlas are made out of silkworm thread. Yes, these are silkworm threads, saris weaved, and it has different beautiful designs. All are in thread work, and each and every sari has a definite designs and all, and you'll just love it. These have some authentication of Assamese culture, you could say. It reveals out the culture of Assam and everything. The sari has its own statement. If you wear nothing, just wear such sari statement with saris, you'll definitely look gorgeous. My mom styled these saris with gold ornaments and everything cause she loves them a lot. These are the treasures of my mom's, iconic Almira. This Assam silk I wore on my farewell. Yes, class 10 farewell. I will show you the picture also. These are so beautiful and just easy to wear. You'll just love it. And my favorite Assam silk I'm showing you now is this. This is so pure Tosh, you could say Tashar, which we say is Tosh Muga, we say in Assamese. So this is a Tashar one sari, and this is so lightweighted, and the color of the thread, you could see just getting off so brightly vibrant. I love this Assam silk like anything. Assam silk and mekhla has a difference that Assam silk is a sari and mekhla has two parts. Like we'll have to wear a lower, that is the mekhla, and the chadar, the upper one, which is shown in these pictures. The blue one is the mekhla, which I'll be wearing in the lower portion with giving some pleats, and this is the chadar, which I'll be giving on my shoulder. So this is a difference of Assam silk and mekhla. These are the things, and this mekhla I also have. My mom and me together similarly both the same, but the designs are different. I'll definitely show you the picture what I have. So I also love this. This threads works are so efficient. This is also made up of silk worm, as usual. I said Assam silk and mekhla chadar are made up of silkworm thread, so they are so precious and so treasury. What to say, this like I just love them. This is also similarly looks like Assam silk, but yes, it is not Assam silk. This is mekhla again. This is also a pure Muga one, so this is also made up of what I said, silkworm. Yes, silkworm threads. So if you liked it, please comment down below which one you like the best. The same mekhla I have worn in one of my makeover video. I'll give it in the I button. Please go and check the video. These are some of my latest collection jewelries which I bought online and offline both. If you want a video regarding my jewelry collection, please comment down below. I'll definitely do it for you. It's for today guys. मैं अपना vlog video यहाँ पे ख़त्म कर रही हूँ and बहुत रात हो चुकी है. It's all about 11 o'clock now. So अभी तक डिनर नहीं किया हुआ है. मम्मी बुला रही है. I shoot it for late night now. तो चलो, I take a adieu now. For me, please like, comment if you like the sari collection of my mom, and I mean down below which one you liked it. Please comment down below and stay tuned with more other videos for me. That's it, and bye. Take care. Love you. Good night.